listen, right now, I'm not going to talk all the doom and gloom that we see on TV. If you know the investor Bill Akerman, who is, well, we'll talk about him in a second. I saw somebody who said, we need to pass a law that says if Bill Akerman loses money, he needs to shut his mouth for at least 90 days. But I'm telling you, it's not all that bad because one, affordability. Did you know that 68% of condos sold in the entire country are selling below listing price, right? That was in February, and it's the highest level in 5 years. Meaning, if you're paying list price for your condo, there's a good chance that you're overpaying for it. Also, this means concessions are to be had, which can help you with our already seasonably low interest rates to make your place more affordable right now. Listen, realtors, lenders, don't sleep on condos. But I gotta tell you, some things, they actually get better.
Affordability. Did you know that New York City saw 33,974 new homes completed citywide, the highest number since 1965? And that is massive. This means more inventory, and that's a good thing. In fact, new home construction showed a surprising bump for the first quarter of this year. Housing starts increased 11.2% to an annual rate of 1.5 million from a downwardly revised 1.35 million in January. And permits for new housing were at an annual rate of 1.46 million, down 1.2% from the prior month's upwardly revised 1.47 million. Both starts and permits came in above estimates.
Listen, we bring this up because the weekend was riddled with bad news, or bad spins would be a better way of putting it. The truth is, rates are down, concessions are to be had, construction is actually up right now, and all of this equals opportunity for you, so you should take it. Listen, this is vitally important to the health of our country. Our economy runs through housing. Here's the problem. The median annual pay, listen to this, during the Great Depression was 32% of the cost of an average home. Today, it's 14%. That means that the pay relative to home costs made it easier to buy a house during the Great Depression than right now. So for this to change, one of two things needs to happen. A massive home value correction, which would lower inflation, or income needs to go up, which of course is going to raise inflation. If I could pick one of these two, it would be home prices, and that seems more likely. What about you? Let us know in the comments down below.
As Darth Powell says, housing prices are almost solely determined by payment. He ran the math as to determine what a home price should be based on mortgage rates today. If you look at this home, it's listed at $1.3 million. But if you adjust payments for inflation and interest rates, it's really worth $743,000. So are we going to see the condo flop hit the single-family market? The answer is, we sure hope so.
Now, if that happens, don't believe the hype. Right now, we're hearing about the stock market crash. Is it really crashing? The answer is no.
Are you sure about that?
You know, the big point crash that we had last Friday, it was just a whopping 2%, a figure that frankly is quite normal. Yet our media outlets are painting this as an attack on your 401k, $7 trillion lost in all of our values in the stock market. It's a drop in the bucket. You see, investors like Bill Akerman, who complained about stocks, has a long, rich history of shorting markets and losing his ass. This is just another case of him complaining that the market needs to get worse for him to win. The point of today is this: don't let what you're being told keep you down. It just doesn't do you any good. I hope this helps. Hey, listen, if you guys want to see a recording of Carl White's State of the Industry address that he did last week, make sure you fill out the information down below and check it out. Lots of good information in there.